You know, on these trucks, we talk about it all the time. You know, these plastic parts aren't going to last, right? They're not going to last the test of time. Something that's 20 some years old, the ability of it to crack is going to happen a lot
Yep.
quicker than it would if it were metal. And that's the case in point with this dipstick. Handle rip right off, so it makes it a little bit cumbersome when you're checking the fluid level.
Yeah, and the handle is long gone. So the good news is we've got a buddy. He's a little bit of a nerd, but he's got a 3D printer, and he works cheap,
It
right?
really does.
So let's take a look. So he's got that little opening. Oh, that fits nice. Okay, cool. I'm not going to put it on all the way yet. So I'm
Okay.
going to let you do that with the JB Weld. Speaking of JB Weld, we use their products all the time. The wheels are turning up here
Uh-oh.
about testing the strength of JB Weld. You know,
You're not going to hear yourself to things again, are you?
no,
Okay.
not that. Not
That got weird quick.
I've got some ideas. You know where I need to go for this?
No, I'm afraid to ask.
I got to go back to Steel Lago, where dreams come true. So if you can handle this,
So wait, you're going to go out on your boat, and I'm going to sit here and work.
yes. Yeah, dude, you're doing good.
See what
You
happens
got
here?
this, kid. Back at the shop, we use JB Weld all the time. It's kind of our go-to whenever something happens that we got to do a quick repair. It's like, oh no, get the JB Weld, right? And we're going to fix it. Now, their original formulation is now 25% stronger. And that's awesome because it was already exceptionally strong. But that got me thinking. It's a beautiful day outside. I thought we'd come out here, break out some of the old toys, and maybe give it a test. So I started thinking about the test, right? And clearly you can do horizontal. You can, bond something and try to have it go left or right, try to pull it apart. You can also do the same thing with like up and down forces. But I thought, what could we do that would be cool and do both of those tests at one time? And that is where the idea for this came into. Now this, go with me, it's not completely done yet. We've got one more third piece to put on here, kind of give it a little bit more structure right there. But this is basically going to be a hitch extension, right? And it's going to allow us to really test the strength because we'll have a test going this way and a test going that way at the same time. We mixed up equal parts of the steel and the hardener and stirred it up until it turned nice and dark gray. That's when you know it's ready to start applying. Then at that point we just put it right there on our surfaces. Now, one of the things we did ahead of time was we made a second one. We let it cure for at least 24 hours, and that baby is rock solid. So far, so good. The trailer is hooked to the buggy, and we are still one solid unit, so that's good. I'm feeling good about this. Now, I don't know the exact weight of the boat. I just did a little internet research, and they said probably 4,000. Who knows? Well, we just backed the boat into the lake with no issues. That could not have gone any better or smoother, but here's where it gets interesting. Where the buggy's at, that's kind of a soft spot. It's a little less sandy, a little bit more muddy, and I gotta drag that trailer right through that. So that's my only concern coming through there is when the rear axles of the boat trailer get into this muddy area, I just gotta get it through there as quickly as I can. Oh, it's working. That pulled really well. The entire reason we came out here today was to test the bonding strength of JB Weld's new formulation. And look, there's a number of different ways you can do that. We can talk about PSI and tensile strength until we're blue in the face, but a lot of times that just goes pew, pew, pew. This is different. This shows there's more than enough strength for everyday repairs. You can watch it, go, oh, wow. But look at it. It tested it, and it pulled that big boat through the mud, through the sand, up the hill, and out of the lake. That was awesome. I mean, it just goes to show that it doesn't matter what the repair is or where you're at. JB Weld can be trusted to fix just about anything, and I think we proved just that today.